Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about Section 12 and the Baker Act and minors. So one of the problems we've had here, especially in Florida, is folks under the age of 16. I've seen children as young as 6 and 7 being Baker Act, in other words being detained. And it applies not just to the Baker Act here in Florida, but it also applies to Massachusetts and Section 12. And what does that mean? Well, it means that your child can be detained by the state. In other words, the state is going to step into the role of parent or parents and temporarily take custody of your child. Okay, and it can happen, and it does happen, and in Florida it's been an absolute epidemic. And so if your child is taken by the state, and again, we're talking about them meeting criteria. Perhaps a child is suicidal. I've seen children, post silly things on social media where they threaten to kill somebody or they threaten to kill themselves. I've seen them, send text messages. I mean, things like that will get you detained by the state, both in Florida and in Massachusetts. But the Section 12 Massachusetts law and the Chapter 394, the Baker Act statute in Florida, applies not only to adults, it applies to minors. So if your minor child is taken from you, the time to act is now. So with that said, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.